The NocFree Lite, a split wireless mechanical keyboard, sounds like an intriguing choice for keyboard enthusiasts. Let's delve into its features and pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right clickety-clack for your typing needs. Features: times 60% compact split design. Enjoy a minimalist layout with dedicated function keys and arrow cluster, while the split design promotes ergonomic posture and reduces hand fatigue. Wireless connectivity: ditch the cables and enjoy the freedom of Bluetooth 5.0, connecting to up to 3 devices simultaneously. Hot swappable mechanical switches: customize your typing experience with your preferred switch type, from tactile to clicky to linear. Fully programmable: macro keys and key remapping let you personalize your keyboard layout and shortcuts for maximum efficiency. RGB backlighting: illuminate your keys with customizable RGB lighting, adding a touch of personality and enhancing visibility in low light conditions. Here are some of the pros and cons of the NocFree Lite mechanical keyboard. Pros: enhanced ergonomics, wireless convenience, customizable typing experience, increased productivity, stylish backlighting. Cons: learning curve, compact layout, hot swappable switches. Price, travel concerns. Overall impression: the NocFree Lite offers a compelling option for experienced typists seeking a unique and customizable keyboard experience with ergonomic benefits. Its wireless connectivity, hot swappable switches, programmability, and RGB backlighting cater to personal preferences and can boost productivity. However, the split layout, compact size, separate switch purchase requirement, premium price, and potential travel concerns are factors to weigh before making your decision. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.